Yeah, hi LinkedIn. Rob Hughes from Training Centre Direct. I get emailed frequently, directly and through social media platforms, about how to get into the lift industry and what it really takes to start your own business. There's only really 4 elements you need, and you can work on these. First is the knowledge. You need the knowledge of how to do things properly and correctly in the most efficient time. You also need the confidence. And the confidence is a very emotive subject that can be built over time. You can get the confidence in just a couple of days, a week. It could take you years, or you might never get it. You need a support team of experts. Sorry for the noise here. You need a support team of experts who are really thinking of you and can help you with legalities, marketing, sales support, etc. And I think also you need leads. If you're being fed leads, you're going to catapult yourself forward faster, much more quickly. So I'll break it down into knowledge, confidence, support team and leads. And that's something that we've been helping people with since we started our training academy. If you like the sound of that, get in touch, send me an email, direct message, and I'll hopefully speak to you soon. Bye for now. Now I've got to work out how to turn this thing off.